Okay, I should inform them.
Okay, sir.
Inshallah, I think it is possible. It's not about. And what about rest of the students?
Okay, sir. It will be, sir, better for me, sir.
What is your opinion? Which platform you like? Google Meet? Hello. Which one is better?
Sir, Meet. Google Meet, sir.
In my opinion, sir, Google Meet is better.
Yes, sir. Google Meet.
Google Meet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think no objection about about Zoom, right? About Google Meet. I think we can take our class or conduct our class through Google Meet. Okay. Okay, let's see our topic. What is our topic? Probability theory. Okay. So from that topic, what we learned? We have learned from here what is union, what is intersection, okay, and how can we get the probability for event. Okay, so what is the formula? What is the formula of probability? What is the formula? What is the formula of probability? How can you get the probability? The probability of an event equal to number of what? Number of outcome.
Number of outcome in the event A divided
Yeah.
by total number of outcomes in the sample space.
Okay, very good. Number of outcome in the event A divided by total number of outcomes in the sample space. Okay. So today let's see conditional probability. Conditional. Conditional probability. What is conditional probability? Okay. Okay. If you want to calculate the probability of an event A, if you are given event B, I repeat, the probability of an event A given the event B or information B is provided, then conditional probability is equal to probability of A intersection B. A intersection B divided by
Sir, you cannot share your screen, sir.
oh, what is conditional probability? What is conditional probability? Conditional probability means probability of event A given B. Probability of event A given what? Given B equal to what? Probability of A intersection B divided by probability of what? B. Okay. So what is the formula of conditional probability? What is the formula? What is the formula?
Probability of A intersection B by probability of B.
So which one you are given? You are given B. You are given what? B, and you want to calculate the probability of event A. So what is the formula? Probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Okay. One example I want to give you. Suppose you are given two events. How many events?
Two events.
Two events.
Cancer. One event is what? Cancer. Another event say gender, say suppose male. Okay, male. If you want to calculate the probability that person or patient has cancer. So what you want to find out? You want to find out the probability that patient has cancer. Okay, given that he is male. So how can you write probability of cancer given M? M stands for male, C stands for cancer. Okay, so what you are given? So what you are given? You are given which information? Male. Which information is provided? Which information is
male.
provided?
Male, sir.
Male. Okay, so what is the probability that patient has cancer? Okay, if the person is male. Okay, what is the formula? What is the formula? Probability of cancer. Why you are not saying? Intersection. Intersection what?
The probability of cancer intersection M divided by probability of M.
Male. Clear? Probability of, that means which information you are provided? Male information is provided. Your prior information. Your prior information is what? Male. Okay. On the basis of male, you want to calculate the probability that the patient has cancer. That is the conditional probability. Another example, suppose you want to calculate the probability of raining tomorrow. Probability of raining when? Tomorrow. Okay. On the basis of which day? Yesterday. On the basis of which day? On the basis of
Yesterday.
yesterday. So you want to calculate the probability of tomorrow on the basis of yesterday. That is the conditional probability. That is which probability?
Conditional.
Conditional probability.
Remember. Okay. So what you learn from our probability theory? We learn when we use union, when we use intersection, when the events are disjoint, when the events are not disjoint. What is complementary probability? What is the additive probability? What is the additive probability? What is the complementary probability or law of complements? And what is the conditional probability? Another type of probability that is called probability of independence. Probability of what?
Independence.
Independence. Okay, let's see. Probability of independence. Independence. So when two events are independent, so two events, suppose one event is A, two events, one event is A, another event is what? B. Okay, so what is the definition of event? What is event? What is event? What is
An
event?
outcome of an experiment.
What is event? An event is an outcome of an
Experiment.
Yeah. So two events A and B are independent. Okay. Independent if this condition is satisfied. Which condition? Probability of A intersection B. Please remember. Probability of what? A intersection B equal to probability of A times probability of B. Okay. If this condition is satisfied, then the two events are said to be independent. Okay. Left hand side, probability of intersection B, that is A and B common, equal to the probability of their own events. That means probability of A times probability of B. If this equal to that, then the events are independent. If this is not equal to that, then the events are not independent. One example, suppose smoking and cancer. Smoking say S, smoking is say S, and cancer is C. There are two events. How many events? How many events?
Two events.
Two events. One event is smoking. Another event is what? Cancer. Okay. If I ask you a question, when cancer and smoking are independent, wait. When the events are independent, if probability of what? Probability of
S
what?
intersects C equal to PS.
Okay.
PS into PC.
Smoking and cancer. Okay, equal to.
Sir, what will be the
probability of
question?
smoking.
Can you say again?
My question, when smoking, if I ask you, are smoking and cancer independent? What is the question? Whether smoking and cancer are independent or not. So how can you verify? Did you understand question?
Yes, sir.
One who can share? What is the question? Sakib, what is the question?
So whether smoking and cancer are independent or not. So
Whether,
by using formula, we can find that.
yeah, whether cancer, what is the question? Whether cancer and what? And
Smoking.
Smoking.
smoking. Okay, these two events are independent. Okay, independent. So how can you take decision whether they are independent or not? If probability of smoking intersection cancer equal to probability of smoking times probability of what?
Cancer.
If this equal to that, then we can say that cancer and smoking are independent. But if
Independent.
not equal to, then the events are not what?
Independent.
Are not
Is not
independent.
independent.
Suppose you applied for job. You applied for job in X bank and you applied for job in Y bank. What I said, you applied for job in which bank? In which bank? X bank. And you applied for job in which bank? Y bank.
Y bank.
If I said that you are assumed that you are trying independently. You are trying which way? Independently. You are trying which way?
Independent way.
Independent.
Then what is the probability? Probability that say X is one
X
bank
intersect
intersection,
Y.
say Y is another bank.
Y.
Probability of X Y equal to
equals to
probability
PX
of,
times
Probability
PY.
of X into probability of Y.
but if I say that mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive, so how can we explain? Two events are mutually exclusive if probability of A intersection B, okay, what, equal to 0. This is called what? Mutually
Exclusive.
exclusive. Clear? Mutually what? Mutually
Exclusive.
exclusive or disjoint. Okay. And when not mutually exclusive, probability of A intersection B not equal to 0. That is called not what? Mutually what? Exclusive. Exclusive. Clear? So please remember, do not mix up when the events are independent, when the events are mutually exclusive, when the events are not mutually exclusive. Okay, so please remember. Okay. Next part of my today's lecture, what do you mean by random variable, random variable. Okay. Okay. So anyone who can tell me what do you mean by variable? What is variable? Anyone?
Sir, which do not have any fixed value, which can be changed. Like x is a variable,
Anyone?
so we can assign
Anyone?
any
What
value
do
to x.
What do you mean by variable?
Sir, it is a characteristics that varies person to person or object to object or phenomenon to phenomenon.
Actually, variable is what? Any characteristic. Okay. Any characteristic that varies from one to another. Okay. What is variable? Any characteristic that varies from one to another. Okay. Suppose age, height, weight, temperature, money, salary, okay, GPA, GRE, GMAT score, student's ID, department, okay, all are what? All are what?
Variable.
Variable, okay. So what is random variable? Random means what? Chance. Random means chance, okay. So random variable is a variable whose value is unknown. Whose value is what? Is unknown, or a function that assigns values, okay, that assigns values to each of an experiment's outcome. So that assigns values to each of an experiment's outcome. What is the experiment? What is the experiment? Experiment is a process. What is experiment?
Is the
Experiment is a process by which observations are obtained.
Okay, an experiment is a what?
Process.
Process.
What are the outcomes? What are the outcomes?
It's a result of an experiment.
Yeah, results. So what is the random variable? That assigns values. Values what? To each of an experiment's outcomes. If I give you example, I think it will be clear for you. Suppose if you toss a coin, one time, so how many outcomes you will get? If you toss a coin
Two
one time, how
outcomes.
many outcomes you will get? How many outcomes you will get? Two outcomes. Either outcome is what? Head, or outcome is
Tail.
what is sample space?
Head and tail.
No, not head and tail. Even head or tail, okay? But if it's a sample space, then sample is just like this. Okay. Tail. Okay. Suppose x equal to number of getting head. Number of getting head. Okay. This is your x variable. My question, this is your okay. First you look, x is what? Number of getting
Head.
number of getting. My question, number of getting head. How many times? In this sample space, number of getting head, how many times?
One time.
One time.
And what? 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
or no? X means what? Number of getting head. The number of getting head, how many times or how many times? So
One.
getting head 1, not getting head 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Getting head, X is what? Number of getting head. So number of getting head 1, number of getting not head 0. Okay. So what is the probability that number of getting head is 1? What is the probability?
Sir, 1/2.
1/2.
Very good. then what is the probability of number of getting no hit,
Sir, zero, sir.
not getting hit? In this
Zero,
suppose
sir.
case,
Because 0 by
so
something
not
will be
getting
0.
hit, that means what? Getting tail, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Not getting hit means what?
Getting
Which one you will
tail.
get?
Tail.
Please respond. Not getting
The
hit means
tail.
what? Getting
Getting tail.
tail.
Getting
What is the
tail.
probability of getting tail?
1.
1/2.
What is your not getting hit?
1/2.
You understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Anyone, any
Yes,
confusion?
sir.
I repeat. So what is your x? X means what?
Number of getting hit.
Number of getting hit. This is your random variable. The random variable is known or unknown? Random variable is known or unknown? You can
The
say
unknown,
Known.
sir.
Unknown.
Unknown, sir.
it assigns values to each of an experiment's outcomes. Assign values of what? Each of an experiment's what?
Outcomes.
Outcomes. Okay. I repeat. So what I said? What I said? I said that what is the probability that outcome is what? Hit. Outcome is hit. What is the probability?
1/2.
1/2. And outcome is tail. What is the probability? Or not hit?
1/2.
1/2, sir.
Total probability is what?
1, sir.
Always one. Okay. Another example. If we toss a coin 2 times, 2 times. If toss a coin 2 times, what is sample space?
Sir, A is T, T is TT.
Tail. Okay. My question, what is the probability of tail? Not hit. My question. What is the probability that all are, I mean, what is the
1/4.
probability that not hit? No one is hit. What is the probability?
Sir, 1/4.
Very good, 1/4. Okay. Suppose x is a random variable which takes the values. If I write say number of getting what? Hit. Okay. So please create a table. X. So my question, number of getting hit in this experiment or in this sample space, how many times? First one? What is the value?
Sir, 3 times.
3
Sorry?
times, sir.
The 1/3.
No. Number of getting hit.
Sir, 3
Sir,
times,
3
sir.
times.
What is the value of x? First time hit, second time also hit. How many times?
3, sir.
Sir, 3 times.
No. I am asking first one. For first one, number of getting hit, 2. Yes or no? What about for second one?
Yes, sir. 1, sir.
1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Third one,
Sorry, is
1. What about last one?
0.
Clear? You
Yes,
understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So x means what? What do you mean by x? X means number of getting hit or hits. Okay, first time you can see first time hit, second time also hit. So x equal to what? 2. Yeah. And for second sample point, 1 is hit. So x equal to 1. For third one time hit. So x equal to 1. For last one, no hit. That means x equal to x is
0.
what? So x takes the values what? 0, 1 and 2. Yes or no? X
Yes,
takes
sir.
the value what?
0, 1, 1,
0,
2.
1, 2. This is random variable. So what is x here? X means what? X means what?
Number of getting hit.
Random what?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Random variable. So what is random variable? What is random variable? A random variable is a what? What is random variable? A random variable is unknown or not? Is what? Is a variable that is
The variable
unknown
whose
or
value
something that assigns to each values
Value of
of
experiment
n experiments outcomes.
outcomes.
Where? So whenever we toss a coin 2 times, if you think x is number of getting hits, so x takes the value 2, 1, 1, 0, or you can say 2, 1, 0. Okay. My question, what is the probability that all are hits? One by 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the probability that one outcome is hit or first time hit? 1 by 4. Second time hit, what? 1 by 4. What is the probability that no hit? Tell me. What is the probability that in this experiment
1 by 4.
there has no hit?
1 by
No.
4.
Sir, 0.
So one is saying 0. Another one is saying that 1 by 4. So which one is correct?
Sir, 1 by 4.
Yes, sir. 1 by 4.
One. Obviously 1 by 4. So no hit. No hit means what?
Sir, no hit means tail.
Alright.
Probability of tail.
Total probability is what? Total probability is what? Total probability is what? Hello. Why you are not saying? Total probability is what?
4, sir.
Huh? 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1. Here. So my question, which one is random variable? Which one is the random variable? Which one?
Sir, X.
Which one is random variable? Which one is random
Sorry,
variable?
X is random variable X.
X is random variable. Random variable means what? Which is unknown or function that assigns to each values, okay, of experiments outcome.
Outcomes.
Okay, that means for different values of x, you are getting different probabilities. X equal to 0, 1 by 4. X equal to 1, 2 by 4. X equal to 1 is what? 2 by 4. You see 1 plus 1, 2 by 4. And x equal to 2, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus what? 1 by 4. That means equal to 1. Okay. So for different values of x, you are getting different probabilities. That is called probability distribution. That is called what? Probability. Hello. That is called what?
Please again repeat probability of
Probability.
distribution.
Probability. Why you are not saying? probability distribution. So what is probability distribution? Anyone who can read? Two sentence plus flat sentence. What is probability distribution?
So
Probability distribution.
Mathematical function that gives the probabilities of occurrence of different possible outcomes for an experiment.
Okay, probabilities of occurrence. Probabilities of what? Occurrence. Okay.
Occurrence.
Different possible outcomes of an experiment. Of what? Different possible outcome. What is
Outcomes
outcome?
for an experiment.
What is outcome? Or outcomes.
Results of an
Outcome or outcomes. Results of an experiment. Okay. So
Outcome.
different possible outcomes of an experiment. That is called probability. That means for different values of random variables, we are getting different probabilities. That is called probability distribution. Okay. For different values of random variable, okay, that and we are getting probabilities, that is called probability distribution. X equal to 0, we are getting probability. X equal to 1, we are getting probability. X equal to 2, we are getting probability. Okay. Students' marks greater than or more than 90. More than 90, we are getting the probability. Greater than 30 degrees centigrade, we are getting probability. Temperature less than 20 degrees centigrade, we are getting probability. Okay. So that is called probability distribution. Types. So there are two types of probability distribution. How many types of probability distribution? How many?
Two types.
Two types. One is discrete. Another one is what? Continuous. Probability distribution. How many types of probability distribution?
Two
Hello?
types.
One is discrete. Another one is what? Continuous. One is what? Discrete.
continuous.
Another one is what? Continuous. Clear? One is what?
Continuous.
First one is what? Hello.
Discrete.
Discrete. Second one?
Continuous.
Okay. I will discuss from discrete binomial distribution. Binomial. Another one is Poisson. Poisson. Okay. I will discuss only from discrete, binomial and Poisson distribution, and from continuous, I will discuss normal distribution. Normal distribution. Normal distribution. Okay. Normal distribution. So don't think there are only 3 distributions, but there are so many distributions. Okay, so many distributions. Okay, beta distribution, gamma distribution, exponential distribution. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so especially those who are civil engineering students and computer science and engineering, computer science. Okay, they should learn beta distribution, gamma distribution, exponential distribution, say traffic signal, traffic. Okay, so you can study this type of distribution, water modeling, log normal distribution, then Weibull distribution, Gumbel distribution, log Pearson type 3 distribution. Okay, and manufacturing, industrial sector, you can apply binomial, normal, Poisson, negative binomial, geometric, hypergeometric distribution. Clear? Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understood.
So I will discuss binomial distribution. So when we apply binomial distribution, please write. So binomial distribution used, please remember, when number of trials n are fixed. Number of trials what? Number of trials what? N are
Perfect.
fixed and independent. And what?
Independent.
Okay, now question, what is number of trials? Suppose you toss a coin first time. If you toss a coin first time, how many outcomes you will get? How many outcomes you will get? If you toss a coin first time,
One outcome, sir.
one outcome or two outcomes?
Two
Outcome.
outcomes. Two outcomes.
How many outcomes?
Two
Sir,
outcomes.
we will get a head or
Either head or tail. Then if you toss a coin second time, how many outcomes you
Four.
will get?
Four.
Hello, I don't know why you are not saying.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Net problem maybe, sir.
স্যার কি ডিসকানেক্ট হয়ে গেছে?
স্যার মিটিং এ নাই।
Maybe. স্যার মনে হয় নেটের প্রবলেম দিছে।
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Zoom system after 40 minutes, automatically we are disconnected, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's see. Binomial distribution. So what I wrote, number of,
So when number of trials n
trials.
are fixed and independent.
Trials and are fixed and independent.
what do you mean a trial? What do you mean a trial? First trial, suppose if you toss a coin one time, how many outcomes you will get? Two outcomes.
Two outcomes.
If you toss a coin second time, How many outcomes you will get?
4
Four
outcomes.
Either head or tail. If you toss it on third time,
8
you will
outcomes.
get the head
8 outcomes.
or tail. Okay. So what are the conditions? Number of trials n are fixed and independent. And the second
Fixed and
condition,
independent.
and second condition is each trial has exactly how many outcomes? 2 outcomes. Okay. 2 outcomes. One outcome is called hit. One outcome is called success. Another outcome is called failure. Okay. Okay. So you will get 2 outcomes. One outcome is called success, and another outcome is called what?
Failure. Failure.
Okay. Then the distribution follows binomial. The distribution follows what? The distribution follows
Binomial.
binomial. So what are the conditions of binomial distribution? What are the conditions? What are the conditions?
N are fixed and independent.
Okay.
The second one is each trial has exactly 2 outcomes. One is
Okay.
success, another is failure.
One outcome is called success. Another outcome is called what?
Failure.
Failure.
Formula binomial distribution. Formula. Probability of
Sir, another one is value, sir.
another one is failure. Yes.
Failure, success, and failure.
Yeah. What is success? Another one is failure. Success means what? That is your interest of study. Success means what? That is your interest of study. Suppose you are taking say 50 adults. First person, whether person has corona, okay, infected by corona or not corona. Second person, whether person has corona or person don't have corona, like this. Okay, 2 outcomes. Okay, either yes or no, either 1 or 0, either male or female, either success or failure, either boy or girl. Clear? Either defective or not defective, either good or bad. Then the distribution follows binomial. N Cx p to the power x. P to the power x 1 minus p to the power n minus x. Okay. And what is the limit? What is the limit of x? X equal to 0, 1, 2, up to n. Okay. Okay. N. What is n? N means number of trials. N means what? Number of trials. X. X means number of successes.
Sir, what is P of X? So
Sorry?
P of X equivalent. So P of X, what is P of X?
What is?
Sir, P of X.
P of X. P means probability of success.
Oh, okay, sir.
Probability of success. Please write. আসতেছি নিয়ে আসবো এই যে একটু পরে নিয়ে আসবো আচ্ছা x means number of success, and p probability of success. এই যে একটু পরে নিয়ে আসবো তোমার ক্লাসে। Okay, then did you write what is n, what is x, what is p? Done? Writing done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is the limit of binomial distribution? What is the limit? X equal to 0, 1, 2, up to n. Okay.
And
And what is NCX?
number of trials.
NCX. NCX. Okay. Like this, NCX. Okay. So anyone who can explain binomial distribution formula? Anyone who can explain? What is the formula? What is P?
We
What is
cannot
A?
hear you.
Please explain. Anyone who can explain?
So binomial distribution is when number of trials n are fixed and independent. Each trial has exactly two outcomes. One is success, another one is failure. P of x equal NCX in
First, you should say P. What is P? P means probability of success.
P means probability of success and x means number of success.
Number of success. Very good.
And the
Then
limit of x is 0, 1 and up to n. And P of x equal NCX into p to the power x into 1 minus p whole to the power n minus x. Here n is number of trials and NCX equal n factorial divided by x factorial into n minus x factorial.
okay, very good. So 1 minus P means what? Probability of failure.
Yes, sir.
Probability of what?
Failure.
So probability of failure.
Yeah. N minus X means number of failures. Number of failures. Okay. Okay. Then expected value. Expected or mean value. The expected or mean value of binomial distribution is NP. What is the expected value of binomial distribution? NP. NP. Okay. This is mean. Mean or average. So what is the mean value of binomial distribution? NP.
E.
Okay, that equal to mu. That equal to mu.
So what is E of x, sir?
E means expected. Expected.
Expected. Okay, sir. And sir, NP.
NP is the formula value. N means number of trials. P means probability of success. NP. Okay. Then what is variance? VARI. Variance of X. X is random variable or number of success. Variance equal to NP times 1 minus P. Okay. So please remember. What is the variance of binomial distribution? What is the variance?
So NP into 1 minus P.
Okay. So what you learn? Anyone who can summarize binomial distribution? Please summarize.
Sorry, couldn't hear. Can you repeat?
Anyone who can summarize binomial distribution? Anyone who can summarize binomial distribution? Anyone?
Binomial distribution is number of trials n are fixed and independent. Each trial has exactly two outcomes. One is success, another is failure. N with P of x, probability of x equal to NCX, P to the power x 1 minus P to the power n minus x. N equal to number of trials, x equal to number of success, and P equal to probability of success. ncx equal to n factorial by x factorial n minus x whole factorial. 1
Okay.
minus p equal to probability of failure, n minus x equal to number of failure.
Okay.
Expected or mean value ex equal to np, variance vx equal to np 1 minus p.
Okay, very good. So what is the limit of binomial distribution? What is the limit?
1 2 and n limit
So 0 to up to n.
Yeah, it is